you'll be able to see a huge difference on the right side of the tractor trailer that we just beefed up when you're on the dirt on this side. Looks like when I pulled in, you can see the, sorry about that, roll the difference here. Wow. Don't really appreciate it until you see the comparison between the two sides there. There's the dirty side, dirty half. So the other side is a dam with Hydro-Chem systems, 1-800-666-1992. Sales at hcsclean.com, that's sales at hcsclean.com. You can see the comparison right here. Okay, we're going to walk around the back side. You can see the difference of the other side here. You're getting a whole another appreciation for the product line. This is the 100% brushless. There it is. If the back side had more sun, this would actually look a lot better if we had that. I'll do a quick walk around.
And I think, you know, shape, you can keep it decent shape.
One half, a little bit of rust on top, the wheels, exact same truck. That's brushless truck washing for you at the finest. Dam with Hydro-Chem systems. Oh, wow. Contact us for more information at 1-800-666-1992. Go to our website, which is hcsclean.com. And our email is sales at hcsclean.com.